Hello children. So in our previous video we learned all about the preposition, right? We learned all about prepositions. Let's read them once again. Between, under, on, in, behind, in front of. Once again, between, under, on, in, behind and in front of. Okay, now we are going to use these prepositions, all these words like in front of, behind, in, on, under, between. They are the prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are the words which tells us about the location or the placement or the position of something, right? Okay, now this is the preposition chapter from your grammar book. In your grammar book you have this preposition concept. Let's look here. You have already learned about the prepositions, right? Okay, now we are just going to look at the pictures. Where is the caterpillar? Here is the caterpillar. Let's see. Now you have to tell me the sentence, correct one. Where is the caterpillar here? Come on. The caterpillar is on the flower. The caterpillar is on the flower. Here, where is the caterpillar? It is under the leaf. It is under the leaf. Now look here, where is the caterpillar? It is, see, it is behind the butterfly. It is behind the butterfly. Now where is the caterpillar? Here is a squirrel and a butterfly. And caterpillar is in the center. So what do we say? The caterpillar is between, kiske between? Between the butterfly and the squirrel. It is between the squirrel and the butterfly, right? Now look here. Where is the caterpillar? It is absolutely inside the apple. So we'll say it is in the apple. It is in the apple. Look here. On the flower, under the leaf, behind the butterfly, between the squirrel and the butterfly, and in the apple. So all these words on, under, behind, between and in are the preposition words, right? They are prepositions. Now look at this exercise. Where is the ball? Match the words to the picture. Here are the words given: behind the dolphins, between the dolphins, on the dolphins, under the dolphins. Now in these pictures here are dolphins and ball. So we have to look for the correct sentence. Behind the dolphins. Which picture shows the ball is behind the dolphins? This one. So we will match it with this. Between the dolphins. Where is between the dolphins? Here. On the dolphins. Where the ball is on? Here. And under the dolphins? Here. Right. Okay, now this is another exercise which we'll do. This is also the easy one. Look at the pictures and you have to circle the correct answer. Like here you can see there is a kite and a table. So where is the kite here? On the table or under the table? Under. This position is under. So under the table. Where is the duckling? On the pond or in the pond? It is in the pond. Now where is the clock? On the wall or in the wall? It cannot go in, so on the wall. Where is the dog? On the canal? In the canal? It's in the canal. Okay, so this is one exercise which you will do. You have to go through these pictures and speak the sentences yourself. Look at all these pictures. All these pictures. Don't read out the sentences. Look at all these pictures given over here in these two pages and then speak the sentences by yourself. For example, looking at this picture, you can say the caterpillar is under the leaf. Right? Looking at this picture, you can say the ball is behind the dolphins. Right? Try to speak up the sentences and do this exercise in your grammar book. And you can explain that activity of prepositions that I did with you, and you can explain it to your parents, right? Okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.